Hello, I'm Julie Shen and welcome to today's unboxing video where we will be taking a closer look at the Targus Dock 182. This is Paul Dale, Senior Field Application Engineer of Targus, and he will be taking us through the amazing features of Dock 182.
Thank you, Julie. I'm excited to take you through the Dock 182. This dock is designed to make your life easier by connecting all of your devices at one central location. It's compact, making it perfect for decluttering your workspace. As you can see, it has a sleek design that will fit perfectly on your desktop.
Wow, I really like the sleek design. It will fit perfectly on my desk and declutter my workspace station. So Paul, tell me more about this dock.
So we have two video streams, and for each video stream we have a HDMI port and a display port. So this makes it easier no matter which cables you have for your monitors, makes it easier to connect those monitors to this dock. Then we move on, we have a gigabit Ethernet port, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 uplink port to your host computer. So for connection to the host computer, we include a USB-C cable. This USB-C cable will deliver 100 watts to power your host computer. And if you have a computer that doesn't have USB-C or power delivery via USB-C, you can connect this to your computer using the tethered USB-C to USB-A adapter. So that means you can support the legacy computers. And if we go back to the dock, we have two DC power in ports. One for your AC adapter to supply power to the dock, and one for an optional connection. So we have an optional cable with Targus power tips you can use for connecting legacy machines with DC power barrels. Now we move to the sides and the front of the dock. Now these ports are placed for easy access. So on the left side we have a 2.4 amp fast charging port. The other side we have an industry standard lock slot for locking that device in the workspace. And on the front we have two easy access ports commonly used. So one for your headset, microphone and audio out, and one that delivers USB-C charging and connectivity. And of course on the top, an easy access power button on the front. Also on the base of the docking station we have two screw mounts to mount the docking station on an optional VESA mounting bracket.
Wow, I really like this dock and all the cool features. It will definitely increase the connectivity and expand a workstation. Let's see it in action.
Great. Let's connect it to my Windows laptop and then we'll try it with my MacBook. Okay, connection of the docking station is very simple. You connect the network cable first. A DisplayPort cable, this DisplayPort cable is connected to this monitor. An HDMI cable connected to this monitor. You can mix and match. You can go dual DisplayPort or dual HDMI or one of each. DC power from the AC adapter for powering the dock. And a host connection USB-C cable. So that's all connected via USB-C. And there you have your dual screens. And this computer supports not only USB-C but legacy connection. So I remove the USB-C connection and connect the USB-C to USB-A dongle. Connect that to the computer. We have an optional DC cable that allows me to power this computer via a barrel style connection, the legacy style power input. So if I connect that to the docking station, to the DC port on the back, I can now power and charge my computer with that connection. Now let's move to a different OS and a different machine. So the MacBook running Mac OS. I'll disconnect the USB-C to USB-A adapter and connect that to the MacBook. And as you can see now, These are extended displays. It's not a mirrored screen, it's dual 4K 60 Hz external displays. Now that's the same whether you're running a MacBook with Intel silicon or a MacBook with M1 or M2 silicon. You'll still get your dual displays. The true Targus advantage is that we make our docks to be universal. It's just not universal in the connection and universal in the power delivery, but also universal in the firmware, how our dock operates with other hardware. So we design our firmware specifically for those use cases where there is a difference between an HP, a Dell, Lenovo, or any other brand of computer. We design our firmware to work with them all. So Julie, to summarize, the Dock 182 is a compact, lightweight dock to easily connect all of your devices in one central location.
Thank you, Paul, for unboxing the Dock 182 for us. With all the cool connectivity features, I just can't wait to test one out myself. And thank you to all the viewers for watching our unboxing video today. If you like the video, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and a comment at the bottom below. For those who have any large opportunities on the Targus Dock, please feel free to reach out to me or any of our Dikadara team. Thank you. In the meantime, let's stay connected.